To connect to an iFarm Express in remote mode, we first need to have an iFarm Express app connected to the already connected device. You have to have a primary device connected before you can add a remote user. So we would then go into the secondary iPad, go to the equipment page, hit the plus button, add a piece of equipment. We're going to call this iFarm Express Demo. We're going to keep display rounding at 20 units. Hit done. Now it's going to start searching for all the iFarms in the area and connect to the closest Express unit. Now, it'll show me a message saying that I've already connected with the primary display, and it should be pushing it into remote display. And it says that right here. So we're going to hit OK. It changes it in the settings. So if we go to the settings, it actually switched me from primary display to remote display. We go to the main display page, and we now have live weight that syncs with the other one. So that's how you run the iFarm Express in remote mode.